Hello, welcome back to my channel, TESL Online Classroom. I am Dr. B. Today we're going to continue our lessons in short vowel sounds. We will sound out letters, blend all the sounds together, and read words. At some point, we will write and read sentences so that we can improve our reading skills. We will start with letter A. At, at. Now we're going to put the initial sound so that we can read words. B, at bat. K, at cat. F, at fat. At hat. M, at mat. P, at pat. R, at rat. S, at sat. St, at stat. Now it's your turn to read. You ready? You ready? You ready? All right, let me see. Get ready. 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 Very good. Thumbs up. Very good. All right. Thank you for coming to my classroom. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.